The public views the construction site with curiosity. They have a limited understanding of the construction site complexity and the associated safety hazards. Many times they view a construction site as an attractive nuisance or ignore it until construction activities directly affect them. At that point, though, it may be too late to protect them from exposure to construction site hazards. When the public is factored into the mix of a construction site, the potential for incidents increases dramatically. Our safety culture not only focuses on protecting our workers, but we also focus on safeguarding the public from our construction activity. We recognize the need to educate everyone involved in the project about the benefits of good public safety in our effort to protect the public. Good public safety also promotes a professional image and reinforces the team safety concept. How is public safety a part of team safety? Our discussion will look at the following areas. First, who is the public? Second, Cleveland Construction and all project contractors' responsibility to public safety. And third, best practices to protect the public. As a worker on a construction site, you may ask, who is the public? The public can be identified as all persons and property not affiliated with the project, and this can include older adults, children, anyone who is in the general area of construction activities who could be exposed to construction hazards, and anyone invited to the project not employed by Cleveland Construction or our subcontractors. Remember that as a professional construction worker, you have experience and training regarding potential hazards, and you are accustomed to looking out for hazards. The general public is not trained or experienced in identifying hazards associated with construction, and so we must make an extra effort to eliminate even minor potential hazards that could impact the public. Another important distinction is that trespassers are not considered the public. As such, it is imperative to prominently post no trespassing signs. If you see that signage is not posted or is missing in an area that could allow access to areas of construction activities, then contact your company's designated competent person or Cleveland Construction Management. This signage protects both the public and construction workers from hazardous exposure. We have a responsibility to protect the public from hazards associated with the construction process. Our responsibility includes communication to you of the site-specific safety plan to meet the expectations of our clients of an injury-free project. This will ensure awareness of the plan and reinforce the importance of public safety. All workers, foremen, superintendents, and project managers have a responsibility to stop work if a dangerous situation involving the public begins to occur. Best practices to protect the public include 1. Plan and communicate your work and activities. Be proactive regarding potential hazard exposure and not reactive. Share any concerns regarding future activities which could create exposure for the public. 2. Maintain good housekeeping from beginning to end of the project. Poor housekeeping increases exposure to potential liability and is often a contributing factor regarding incidents involving the public. 3. Control access. All workers must go through Cleveland Construction's worker registration program prior to admittance on the job site. All workers must adhere to all of Cleveland Construction's rules, regulations, policies, and procedures. All non-workers must sign into the job site with a controlled access guard. This includes owners, owners' reps, visitors, vendors, delivery drivers, everyone. And limiting unauthorized people from entering the job site decreases both Cleveland Construction's and subcontractors' exposure to liability. 4. Controlled access guards. It is their job to control who enters the construction job site. Please treat the guard with respect and understand they are the first line of public safety defense. 5. Cleveland Construction Safety Program. Enforce and maintain Cleveland Construction Safety Program. Everyone must abide by and be held accountable. The project is a team effort. Team safety. 6. Look beyond the gate. Inspect not only work areas, but also adjacent public areas for opportunities to warn the public and protect them from construction-related hazards. If you see an opportunity to improve our public safety, share it with your company designated competent person or Cleveland Construction Management. Construction projects involve many people working together. These activities can affect not only the workers involved in the activities, but also the public near the operations. Therefore, as active members of Cleveland Construction's Team Safety, workers have the authority to immediately stop work and report hazardous conditions to site management that may affect public safety. Thank you for participating in Cleveland Construction's Team Safety. With your active participation in following our safety program, together we will be successful in protecting the public.